Thank you for joining me on this page. This is my strategy consultation form page. The reason that this page exists is because as a business, I really want to help support my prospective clients and clients alike. And the only way that I can do that is to obviously ask you some questions, dive a little deeper into what it is that you're doing, what it is that you're struggling with, so that I can come up with ideas and solutions and so forth. So the entire concept of my strategy consultation process is to help give you clarity and focus on basically what the problems are and giving you that prescription that you need to go away and solve it for yourself. And of course, if it is something that you're struggling with and you'd rather outsource to someone like me, then obviously I'm here to help you. That's what my business exists for. So I could spend maybe 10-15 minutes of that strategy session asking the questions that I've got on this form, or you could spend 2 or 3 minutes filling in this form, allowing me as a business to function and operate, gain a few of the insider sort of questions that I need, like who you are, what it is that you're struggling with, what your target audience is, and that kind of thing. And then that will allow me to go and do some homework on social media, check out your Facebook page, your LinkedIn page, your website, all those kind of things, get a little bit of a picture and a background understanding, and that puts me in a far better position to be able to help you and utilize those 45 minutes during our consultation with a lot more greater ease. And obviously by doing this, it means that I don't have to spend sort of 10-15 minutes asking you these questions and burning that precious time, which could be used better serving you with some ideas and some solutions. So that is what the whole point of this form is. So it takes you 2 or 3 minutes. At the end of this, you will be sent to my digital diary, which will then allow you to pick a time in my diary that suits you, that works with your commitments, so that we together can align and meet on a Zoom call. And it's all done and dusted within 5 minutes from now. So grab yourself a cuppa, sit down, fill out this form, and I'll see you hopefully in the next week, 10 days, when you've booked into my diary. Thank you very much.